gonna start? We're the same game. Or you want me to start?
Start. Yeah, I'm in the corner store. Andrew just down my pipe. I mean,
Hey,
I just did my downpipe.
Hey, yo, you
What?
mean Andy just go with your
Nah, that's a nice color. Yo, what's up? So Danery. Today is like 5 degrees type. Like it's cold as hell outside. But I'm about to see if I can do this little video. I'm gonna see if people react to me drive with no hood. I'm about to take the car out and then see what type of reactions I get. I'm just gonna get food though, so I'm going like round the block. But yeah, I'm gonna see what they say. I didn't really tell y'all before neither, but got new taillights. Yeah, I got regular taillights. Those other taillights are so freaking ugly. Comfort access. Oof. Oof. Cold.
Stars Megan Good, Grace Byers, Jerry Johnson. New episodes released Fridays only on Prime Video. As New Yorkers, we like things fast. And when it comes to COVID-19, it's all about acting fast. Acting fast to get tested and treatment if you have COVID-19 symptoms. Treatment works best the sooner you start and can help you avoid serious illness.
I'm not gonna lie, everything's really fun at the car. I'm proud of myself for real. But I'm trying to put this mount, bro. Today we got a surprise for you. I'm really proud of the fact that I did this like myself. All coolant hoses, everything put back together. Took the whole thing, took it down and put it back together by myself. So we reach. This is Lincoln car. Oh. Yeah, outside. So we had 2 hiccups. One, these are problems you go through. This O2 sensor is not, this one's not coming out. It's bent, the thread just is messed up on it. But luckily he had one. New downpipes. But hiccup number 2, turbo clamp. So I'm waiting on a turbo clamp right now to get this done.
start? You want to give? Or you want me to start?
Start. It got a little different sound to it. Andrew's here too. My Frankenstein build. I know you don't really get results until you tune the car, but the placebo is still there. Like, that just sounds so great to me. Like, what the hell? Where the hell is Andrew? Oof. Yeah, I like this. I like this. I like this. I can't wait to tune it though. My birthday is definitely gonna be trying to get it in together for my birthday. Yeah. Yeah, so this fender I'm getting real cheap. I'm getting it for $70, bro. I gotta drive all the way to Brooklyn though, but I don't know if I told you, but I'm Big Queen's definitely the best borough. Nothing to argue about. This is why I don't like Brooklyn, because why is there a road over there, over here, and over there? Like, what is the real point of that? Can't see. You better go, bro. Now look at this. A bunch of cars for what? Well, I just reached. But this guy, he got mad parts. I'm about to show y'all him. I don't know if he's selling these or they part outs or what, but he got cars, he got parts. You know what I'm saying? I just gave him the bread. Clean fender. Very clean. Can't complain. This time he hooked me up with the parts. He gave me a sticker too. So see IG?
IG is Enon XRS.
All right. This how the girls do it.
See me? Dog can change a spark plug on the red baby, you see me? Get a little simple misfire. See that shit? Yeah, that shit dead.
Yeah, this guy.
Gas, yep.
New one.
Yeah, I put the new one.
I'm not gonna lie, you gotta help me do that car.
Yeah, boy, this shit is